This particular video addresses the challenges being faced when drafting palazzo pants for someone with big tummy or pregnant ladies, as well as the type of band to be used to achieve perfect fit, corporate look, and absolutely comfortable for yourself or your clients. A lot of ladies with big tummies or pregnant women want to have palazzo pants that fit perfectly to their body shape like Sweet 16. But the basic palazzo draft does not consider their body shape. And most often, they are not often satisfied with the baggy palazzo pant that is available. They want something fitted to their hips and free downward. The measurement needed are your waist measurements. And in this case, my waist measurement is still the same thing as my tummy measurement, my hip measurement, my thigh measurement, my trouser length. Then I will take all of the vertical lengths. I mean all of the vertical measurements. So now let's start the drafting proper. So first of all, make sure the fabric is on fold. While it's on fold, you are going to be using the biggest part of the body measurement divided by 2 and add 4 inches to it. So I get that fold, then take the first line, which is my waistline. I'm going to be moving in by 2 inches so that that 2 inches is left for band. Then take my full length measurement, which is 47 because it's going to end at 45. Then next is take my crotch measurement, which is 13 inches from the waist measurement. Then the next is my knee measurement, which is 22 inches from the waistline. So after that, go to the crotch line, take your hip measurement divided by 2. My hip is 44. I divide it by 2. I got 11. I make it 11.5. I marked, and I also marked it at the waistline and rule a straight line. Then the next is to get your crotch extension. My crotch extension is going to be 2.5 inches. And then all the other thing is I'll move 3 inches upward, which is our hip line, then make that curve. So you see that is your crotch extension. So next is get the midpoint of that crotch line, and also do the midpoint at the nail and at the hem. Then connect with a ruler. So that one you use to get the structure of the leg. So at the leg opening, we're going to be making it 10 inches. So we're going to be marking 5 on each side of the line, a 5 on each side on the line. Then at the nail measurement, since this one is 5 inches, at the nail measurement, we are going to be making it 6 inches. That's there's going to be 12 inches at the long run, 6 inches at each side of the line. So then you're going to use your ruler, connect from the nail to the hem on both sides. If you've done that, you now use your curve rule. If you have one, you use your curve rule and connect it from this other side, and also in this other side use your hip rule and connect if you have. But if you don't have, you can use your free hand. Is connecting up to the crotch line. That's where it's coming up to. So what I now did now is that I'm going to be putting my waist measurement. Normally this one, because the tummy is bigger than the hips, so I'm just going in by this side. I'm going in by I am by one and a half inches. Then come to the midpoint, mark the midpoint of the hip, the between the waistline and the hip line. So connect that curve to it. So you now have your curvy shape. So the curvy shape remain. Only the difference now here is that the tummy is bigger. So you take the waist measurement, which is 46 divided by 2 by 4, you get 40, you get 13. So you mark it at the waistline. So at this waistline, you marked, then you connect it to look at the way I connect it. You connect it to the crotch line this way. So this is how it is being drafted. The basic difference here now is that you take care of the tummy structure. So, and by the time it comes out, you are not going to be having the problem of fitting. It's going to be tight at the waist. Then always ensure to confirm your thigh measurement. Your thigh measurement is about 2 inches below the crotch line. So you're going to be going to the crotch line and confirm. My thigh measurement is 28. So divide by 2 is going to be 14. So I will confirm it. if I confirm it, so that I'll make sure that it corresponds. That's is 14 inches at the end of the day. So this is your pant draft. This is your front pant draft. The next thing we are going to be doing is to take this front pant draft to draft the back. Now remember that there's this normal draft that extended from the crotch. So you first of all take the crotch, you add 1 inches to it, because add 1 inches to the back crotch. So then the extension here is going to be, you go to the normal point at which you're supposed to go. That's the line connecting from the waist, from the crotch line upward, the normal place. That's where you are going to take this particular pattern from. So then you are measuring your waist measurement, add 2 inches to it, the front waist measurement, add 2 inches to it at the crotch line, make sure it meet at 2 inches, then the rest you add on 1 inches, that's the same allowance. You do that for the front part, then at the other side of it you add 1 inches to each to each. So that's how it's been done. So you connect, so you see it has been taken care of. Then like I said, here it's still going to be like, it's still the normal trousers. The back pattern is like the normal pattern. The only difference now is the front pattern. That's where you have the bulginess at the front parts. So it's only the back pattern, only the front pattern that is different from the basic bodies, from the basic trouser pattern, but the back pattern still remain the same. So you are still going to take that point, you're still going to make it higher at the waist, at the back waist. Then this is just your basic draft. Thank you for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.